Welcome to Zoom Introduction for Staff. Zoom is a cloud-based video communication application that allows you to set up virtual video and audio conferencing, live chats, screen sharing, and has other collaborative capabilities. In this overview, I will be going over how to access Zoom via the Mycoyote portal. I will be reviewing the Zoom tabs and meeting control bar and how to join a meeting. To begin, log into the Mycoyote portal and select the Collaborate tile, then you may launch the Zoom platform. If you wish to access Zoom from your desktop, download the install package from our ITS software page at https://www.csus.edu/its/software. You may also access Zoom on your mobile device by going to the Mycoyote portal, then navigating to the Collaborate tile, and then launching Zoom. If you wish to download the mobile app, you may do so for an iPhone through the App Store and for an Android phone through the Google Play Store. Joining a meeting. To join a meeting from the Mycoyote portal, access the Zoom tile and on the top right, select the Join a Meeting option. Enter the meeting ID that has been provided to you by the host or the organizer of the meeting. If you have been provided with a meeting link, paste the link in the prompt box to join your meeting. On the left-hand side, you'll notice Zoom's menu tab. I'd like to take a moment to review the Profiles tab, the Meeting tab, and the Settings tab. The Profile tab will allow you to customize your profile. You can upload your photo. To do so, click the Edit link on the right-hand side and upload your photo. If you wish to add your department name and your job title, you may do so as well. In the section below, you have the option to customize your personal meeting ID number and create a personal link for your meetings. As you can see, I have done this. I have customized my personal meeting ID and link for the meetings that I host. Next, we have the Meetings tab. In this page, you will see a list of your upcoming meetings, your previous meetings, and your personal meeting room. Your personal meeting room is a virtual meeting room that is permanently reserved for you. You can access this room with your personal meeting ID or personal link if you create one. You can start instant meetings with your PMI, or you can schedule a meeting that uses your personal meeting ID. To schedule a meeting, select the Schedule Meeting tab, put in your meeting details such as date, time, recurrence, and if you're scheduling for yourself or if you have scheduling privileges for someone else, you may schedule your meetings here. Next, we have the Settings tab. In this page, you can enable all the features that you would like to turn on in Zoom. The majority are self-explanatory. However, I would encourage you to spend some time reading through them and enabling any feature that you want to use in your Zoom meetings. We have security features, chat and file transfer, virtual background, and other features that you may enable if you wish. Now let's launch a meeting. I'd like to point out the following. Although the meeting control bar has a similar view for both the host and the attendee, there is an icon that will only be available for the host of the meeting. It is the security icon. I will be going over each icon on the meeting control bar. First, we have the microphone icon, which is the mute icon. When you right-click, you'll see some additional options such as microphone, speaker, and audio settings. Zoom is pretty intuitive in choosing the audio. However, if you need to explore the additional options, you may do so here. Next, we have the Start Video icon. When you right-click, you'll see the additional options such as choosing a virtual background and video settings. Moving on to the security icon. Please note that this feature is only available to the host or co-host. This icon is used to enable or disable options during a meeting. It will help secure your session as well as minimize disruptions. If the host enables the lock meeting option, the session will be locked and not allow anyone else to enter. If the host enables the waiting room feature, this will allow the host to control when a participant is able to join. The participant icon will list all the participants that are in the meeting. The host can manage the participant list and has the option to make an attendee a co-host from here. The host can also remove participants. Screen sharing allows you to share a window or application. The chat function will allow for private one-on-one chats or will allow for everyone to chat during the meeting. The file transfer will allow for the host to share files with participants. Remember, these features that I just mentioned have to be enabled by the host in the Settings tab. The More button, called the ellipsis, gives you a list of more controls for your meetings. We have chat, breakout rooms, recording options, and additional features. I'd like to reiterate the following. The host will control what features are enabled in your Zoom meeting. This concludes this overview of Zoom. If you have any questions regarding the Zoom platform, please contact us via email at itstrainingservices@csusb.edu. Thank you.